in the midst of all this coronavirus, we're taking all the precautions we need to take to ensure that if you do come in, you're safe. We're disinfecting everything like so many times a day, it's not even funny. That being said, we're open. All right, the thing about these Chevys is that window that we're going to be replacing comes attached with this frame, so you can use your hinges and your lock. So basically what we're looking at is this door panel we got to take off. So I'm going to get right into that. Keep watching. Saw that this was urethane in, so since we had to cut it out, I'm just gonna be priming the spots like with little scratches and ensuring that the paint is sealed. I know if you look at the truck, this is like the least of its worries, but we like to do things right here. That being said, I'm also trying to ensure that we get a good bond for where I'm going to lay my glue. With this type of glass, by it being movable and it swings out and everything, you're always going to have like rub marks from where the old glass used to hit, just rub marks. I'll pull the camera closer so you can see where the old glass was rubbing, but that's very common on this type of glass. And realize this too, this is all going to be covered under the new glass. We just like to protect vehicles. No matter what the vehicle or what the condition of the vehicle, it's somebody's transportation, so we respect that. And we try to let it leave looking better than what it came. And I know people are here to install glass or get their windows repaired, so it's inevitable, but we just treat every car like it's our own. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scuff this because this is plastic. So you just scuff it to rough it up because this is where my primer is gonna go, this is where my glue is gonna go. While the primer is drying, I just want to point out some things. Whenever you have a glass broken, you are going to have some fine scratches on your interior. I know it sucks, but that's what happens when glass breaks. The little particles, they get smaller and smaller. You can see a little dust right there. Shouldn't be doing that. It still can cut you, but I'm used to it. But yeah, whenever glass breaks, you can expect to see some things scratched up. And it's not your glass installer, it's the broken glass. Checking to see if the primer's dry yet. I think we're good to go. All right. I don't know if you guys paid attention to what I cut through to get the frame out, but it's a small bead. I'm about to shoot this glue. It was a very small bead. You don't need that much to hold this in. If you actually shot a normal bead that you would for a pinch weld, it would make the glass stick out a lot. So, small bead. Like that, it's done. Went pretty easy. I mean, I remember doing these back in the day. Same process. As long as it doesn't get high pressure wash for 48 hours, gonna be good to go. Till then, we'll catch you guys on the next one.